What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build an entire AI customer support chatbot for fashion brand. And this is like a replica of the previous video we did, but in the previous video we used voice flow, but here now I'll show you a faster way of building it using Agentive. And what Agentive does, it provides access to OpenAI's Assistants API, which makes it easy for AI developers to build AI agents without needing to know how to code. So let's get right into it. So here's a demo. So I'm here at Agentive and I'll start asking it some questions. So hi. Hello, welcome to Dawnford Collections. How can I assist you today? So let's ask it, where are you guys located? Where are you guys located? Let us see. We are located at the heart of Nairobi CBD, that is at Science Plaza along River Road opposite KCB Bank. Our shop is on the 4th floor, all that. So if you want to pause and read the response, you can do that. What's your return policy? I can actually type. What's your return policy? We have a flexible return policy at Dawnford Collections. If you're not satisfied with your purchase, you can return it within 14 days of receipt for a refund or exchange. Please note that the item must be in its original condition with tags attached. Is there anything else I can help you with? Yeah. Let me ask it, how much for your suits? for your suits, not our suits, but yeah. So our custom suit starts from Kenya shillings 15,000 onwards. We also have a range of ready-made suits available in different price ranges. Is there a specific suit you have in mind, or would you like to explore our options further? So you can continue asking it questions and it will give you relevant responses based on the information provided in the knowledge base. So you're asking now, how can you build the same for your own fashion brand or any clients you have who might be fashion brands? So we are using Agentive. And let me show you. So just open a new tab and search agentivehub.com. Okay. Now once the page loads, you can click register if you don't have an account. So click register. So fill in the details here, or you can sign up with Facebook or Google. But since I already have an account, I'll just log in. Okay. So click login. I log in with Google. So once you log in, you'll reach here. This is your dashboard. So where you can be able to access your agents here and also create the knowledge base to the agents. Okay. So what you want to do is create new agent. I'll call this fashion customer support agent. Support agent. You can give it a description, but you don't have to. But let's just give it a short one. Handles customer support inquiries. Strong with my typing. Support inquiries for fashion brands. Okay, so you can pick the AI model you want to use. GPT 3.5 Turbo is good enough. So it's fast and cheap. You can use GPT-4 Turbo. It's also fast and can be able to handle more complex inquiries and the likes, but it's a bit more expensive. So the best option now is just to use the basic 3.5 Turbo. So click create agent. Okay. Then you'll come here. So how Agentive works is it makes it so easy to develop the AI agents. If you're familiar with the Assistants API, Assistants API was developed by OpenAI to make it easy for AI developers to build AI agents by just needing 3 aspects. Provide a prompt to tell the AI how to behave, give it information, that's a knowledge base that you want to, the knowledge base that will guide the AI on information to use in the responses. Then tools tools is like functionalities you want incorporated into the chatbot. For example, handling payments, sending emails, saving information to the CRM, and the likes. So initially you'd have to know how to code so that you can be able to access the assistance API and use it and leverage it. But Agentive makes it so easy to do the same thing without needing to know how to code. So how you do that is now you put a prompt. So I'll paste in the prompt here. Okay. So the prompt is just like the prompt we used in the initial video, just that now we're using it on Agentive. So let's just do a quick run through. You're Don, owner of Donford Collections, a business that sells both custom and ready-made pieces. You're tasked with the duty of giving responses to all customer inquiries and concerns. You are warm and light-hearted in your responses, as well as quite enthusiastic and positive. You are an expert at handling any customer objections with the ability to give positive reassurance to any concern. The end goal of any conversation is to convince a customer to buy or make a purchase without coming off as too salesy. You're all knowing in regard to the services and products offered at Donford Collections, as well as being extremely knowledgeable on matters cloth design and manufacturing. You're skilled in sales and therefore very good at convincing any customer to purchase. That's a role of the AI. Then you give it the task, which is to give responses to all customer inquiries or concerns. Then you give it some examples of when a user says, let's say, where are you guys located? Give the answer as this. You see, if they say, do you sell ready-made clothes? You can give the answer as that. So give it as many examples as possible. Then next you go into the notes. This is like cautioning the AI. When you test it out, you noticed that it was messing it up here. It didn't give a relevant response here and there. So here's now where you tweak it up, give it some cautioning to behave better and give better responses. So you can pause and go through the notes as is. Okay. Then you see here you can give examples, further examples. The more examples you give, it's called multi-shot prompting, where you give many examples so that the AI can know how to behave better. So can pause and read through the prompt. I don't want to go through the entirety of it because this is all dependent on your unique case scenario. Okay, you can see avoid long responses when not necessary. Therefore, be as brief as possible without leaving out vital information asked by the user. So if the user asks for sizing options and you have that in the knowledge base, give the exact sizing options available. If they ask for pricing, give the exact pricing options available. Yeah, and down here, you can be able to give now the tools that it can be able to use in the functionalities incorporated into the chatbot. For now, it's just basic customer support. In the future video, I'll show you how to be able to incorporate tools into the chatbot. So, but now that's in place, what you want to do is now provide it the information that it will use. So that's the knowledge base. Click on that. Then click enable knowledge base. Select a knowledge base. I already have one created here for Donford, but I'll show you how to do that. So create new. Let's give it a name, fashion knowledge base. The name doesn't matter, so create. With that in place, now you want to upload the files that will be used in giving responses. It can be a text document, it can be PDFs and the likes, and you can see the formats that are allowed here. It can be HTML, it can be a PowerPoint, it can be even XML. That's nice. So click, drag and drop. So I'll add that. So the FAQs for Donford Collections. So that will be processed. Once it's ready, we can add the next one. That's the next one. Add it. Let it process. Then we upload both of the files. That will be part of our knowledge base. Okay, so click upload. So now that's in place, and we have the prompt in place, and you can see the prompt score is 8.2, which is a good one. Means it's confident enough. And yeah, so you can go ahead and try it out. So send it a message, let's say hi, or let's say publish first. So publish. Any changes that will made will immediately go live and update your agent anywhere it's been deployed. Yes, I'm sure. And yeah, so you can start playing around with it. Hi, let us see how can I assist you today. Where are you guys located? Where are you guys located? See some misspelling there, but AI should navigate around it. We're located at Science Plaza on River Road in Nairobi CBD, all that. So let's say how much for your suits? How much for your suits? Let us see. Checks the database, finds information necessary, gives back a relevant response. Our suits range in price depending on the style and customization, starting from 10,000, other options at 15,000, and premium options between 25 to 40,000. Prices can vary based on your specific budget, fabric choices, and design. All that. That's a nice response. So let's say, what's your return policy? Or let's say if I'm not satisfied, can I return the suit? What's wrong with my typing today? If I'm not satisfied, can I return the suit? Have a satisfaction guarantee policy. If for any reason you're not satisfied with the purchase, we'll be more than happy to assist with your return or exchanges. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we aim to ensure you're pleased with your choice. Just reach out to us and we will take care of the rest. All that, and you can continue playing with it, but you can see it's able to provide relevant responses, being able to handle customer support for download collections. So the good thing with such a chatbot is it frees up the employee time so that they can focus on higher leverage tasks. And as you scale your fashion brand, and let's say during peak seasons, all of a sudden there's an influx of inquiries from your customers, you can be able to handle all that without needing to add to your support staff team. So you save on salaries, you save on time, and you'll be able to provide an excellent customer experience across all customer interactions. So if this is something you'd like to be built for your fashion business, I'll be more than happy to click on the link in the description. That will take you to our website where you'll book in a meeting with our team, and we'll go ahead and do the same for you. So if you want access to the resources, there'll also be information in the description for you to be able to get that. Anyways, till next time, stay survey. Peace.